Okay, you guys, it's my husband, Chris. And you guys know I'm not a drink much, so he's gonna drink for me. What's up, Chris? What's up?
What's up, Bo? What's up, bro? What's up, Boogie? Today we're at Ironclad.
It's not a bar.
It's a distillery and it's a tasting room. So
The tasting room.
not technically allowed. You're not technically allowed to drink here because this is more of like a supplier where you come here and buy your whiskey. So you try what you like. They have some cocktails on here, which is really good. I tried the old fashioned. I tried the whiskey sour. Really great cocktails. But the whole point of this place is to try a whiskey that you like. That way you can buy the bottle, go home, enjoy it at home. And they also offer cocktails to go. You buy your whiskey, $30. They give you all the garnishments, accoutrements, so you can make your cocktail at home. It's pretty cool. So, pretty nice little perk about this place.
It's so exciting here.
I love whiskey.
Ordered the menu, however, the best way to drink is lowest proof to highest proof, so that's kind of what I did. The bourbon cream is going to be your first one, the lowest proof. The second one's going to be the straight bourbon. Then it's going to be the cashew, which is that dark chocolate and cacao one. Last is going to be the coffee. Now, we definitely recommend you try the coffee last. It is cash-based again.
Okay.
I also recommend you can try it as is, then dab a little bit of water in there, and last it pour over ice. Personally, the coffee opens up better over ice because it is so strong. Once it has some water in there, last one, it's a little bit better. But you can try all of them like that. That way you get more flavors and figure out how you like the best. All right, y'all enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions.
Thank you.
So, what is this?
That one is like it's a whiskey type Bailey's type mix. There's cream buzz bourbon cream. So it's rich and smooth. It's vanilla with cocoa, hints of coffee, silk milky taste to it.
Yeah, it's just like milk chocolates.
And this one right here is the straight bourbon. So this is made here with Virginia corn, wheat, rye, and malted barley. And it's aged for a minimum of 2 years. So she's just cleaning out her palate right now. But what they recommend is you drink it once without water. And then after that, you do this, put a little bit of water in there, and it's going to make the flavor even better. So try one without the water. Water in there. And that should open up the flavor, open up the profile. And it should taste different. It should taste.
I love I love the original, not a mix with the water.
No, me too.
Yeah.
I like original too, but when you add just a little bit of water,
It's too smooth.
it's gonna make
Yeah.
the flavor smooth. When you add a little bit, not too much.
Okay, what is next?
This one is not on the menu, but this is bourbon mixed in a dark chocolate cask.
So it's limited.
Yeah, it's not on the menu.
Tasty is so smooth and
Like a dark chocolate, right?
No, it's really clear in my mouth.
That's the one I like a lot. So if we do this, it's gonna add a little bit more flavor.
Oh no, I don't like it. Oh,
Yeah, more flavor, right?
yeah, I love it. I
Yeah,
think
this-
it's my
I
favorite.
think it's my favorite too. And this is the
Maybe we got this one at home.
yeah, and this is the strongest one from the cask. It's the highest percentage. I don't know what they told. I think it's over 24%.
Over 20%.
Yeah, over 24% alcohol by volume. So this is the strongest one. So, I didn't really like it. I like this one better. Let's put it that way. I like mine more smoky. This is more. It's more of like a IPA of bourbon.
Oh my god, it's burning my mouth immediately, right?
Yeah, very.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So it's good, but it's not something I would just have at home.
It feels like a Bacardi, kind of. You know? No.
Much better with the water.
But it's still burning.
It's good though. It's good. For me, it's more like a single malt type whiskey type thing. But it's like I said, if I were to rate,
But this one have a bottle because this one is the unbranded. Yeah.
so if I were to rate my favorites, I would go 1, 2, 3, and 4 of my favorites. So the dark chocolate, the straight bourbon, the little buzz
I don't like the straight
buzz
one.
bourbon cream, and then finally the Casper. Which one do you like? Best last.
This one I like it. I feel like I drink something. It's like alcohol is the party, you know. That one is really funny in my mouth.
Also, if you notice, I got a little haircut. There's
Oh,
actually
that one
a
actually
barbershop.
I record.
There's a barbershop next door to this place.
Yeah.
And the cool thing about Ironclad is the barbershop is inside the distillery, so you can bring your drinks into the barbershop because technically it's part of the same building, barbershop. And there's a long wait line, or it's not your turn yet. If you're a little early, you can just go to the bar, grab a drink, bring it with you back to the barbershop, and while you're waiting, you can drink and sip while you're waiting for your turn.
It's really cool.
Yeah, it's really nice. Or, if you want to get a haircut and then come right here to the bar right after, drink a little bit, bring your boys with you, pretty nice spot too. So.
Everything is cool.
Yeah, very clean job. Very, very clean fade. Skin fade.
Okay guys, cheers.
Cheers.
Okay guys. Here is the really good. And it's outside patio for the smoke. And also you can buy cigars.